Hey everybody, Sean here from Warner Auto Detailing. I'm out here in Moncton today working on this Jeep Wrangler. I wanted to shoot a quick how-to video for those of you who work on your car at home by yourself, or for those of you who are just interested in seeing our process on how we dress these big knobby tires. So for this, I literally only have two products, just my tire shine and a big detailing brush. I like this big work stuff detailing brush just because of how thick the bristles are and how much tire shine you can actually get in there. So all I'm really gonna do is just spray my tire shine into here, into the brush, and simply just paint it on as if I was literally painting something. And with the brush, you can see how easy it is to get in all of these little tiny nooks and crannies and within the letters here, and allows you to get really close into this bead to get a really uniform finish of your tire shine onto these big tires. So I'll go here and I'll dress the whole tire before or below all of these knobs, and then I'll show you guys how to get into the knobs. You're going to want to keep applying some tire shine into your brush just because naturally you're using the product, and you want to keep it fairly saturated with tire shine, because sometimes, when you're applying in direct sun like this, the sun is drying it. So you do sometimes have to come over for a second application to have a really uniform finish. So you can see we have the whole sidewall here completely dressed. Now we need to get to the knobs, the top part of the tire. So it's essentially the same process, but I just like to sort of stroke the brush like this, almost repeatedly, with some small short motions, and I'm almost hitting the tire with the brush so all of that liquid comes out of the bristles and onto the tire. And yes, you'll get some leftover liquid that gets into the grooves here. When you come back around and even everything out, you can always pick up the extra liquid with your bristles like that and just respread it to another part of the tire. I also like a detailing brush so you can get the lower half of the tire that's on the ground, because with a traditional applicator, you may not be able to get it on that bottom lip. And now here you can see we have a completely dressed tire. Now I'll go one more time around the lip, the outer lip of this tire. And now I like to go one more pass, sort of halfway into the top knob here, just so not only the sidewall is dressed, but a little bit of the top of the tire is dressed. And there you go. You have one knobby all-terrain tire completely dressed, super easy, with simply just your tire shine and a detail brush. Another option to dress larger, knobbier tires like this is some sort of aerosol tire shine. I like this product, More Shine Tire Finish from Stoner. And it's pretty simple. It's literally just a spray on. You do want to be careful though if it's a windy day, because it's an aerosol product. Any tiny particles that don't make it onto the tire are likely to get blown around and show up on the paint as a little freckling effect. That's okay, it wipes up super easily just with some wax. But if you choose to use a product like this, an aerosol tire shine, make sure to apply it before waxing the vehicle. That way when you wax the vehicle, any sort of freckling or overspray from the tire shine can be wiped up.